Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create vector colorful origami style sticker in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Draw a box shape. Use direct selection tool shortcut A to select anchor points. You can make different shape with direct selection tool. Use pen tool shortcut P to draw a shape. Fill color R251, G176, B59. Use eyedropper tool shortcut I to pick fill color. Fill color R193, G39, B45. Fill color R237, G28, B36. Outline none. Stroke weight 16 point. Outline color black. Select anchor point with direct selection tool. Cut Ctrl X. Paste in front Ctrl F. Select line and right click and arrange and send to back. Select both lines and click on projecting cap in stroke panel. Ctrl F10. Use ellipse tool shortcut L to draw circles. Finally, your origami style sticker design is now ready. Please follow step by step and its easy way to create vector sticker design in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.